are seen through A. Microscope, B. Telescope, C. Periscope, D. None of these. Answer is microscope. Second question is Chlamydomonas belong to a root called A. Bacteria, B. Viruses, C. Algae, D. Fungi. Answer is algae. Third is Lactobacillus bacteria helps to make A. Bread, B. Pastry, C. Cake, D. Curds. Answer is thirst. Fourth is which is the connecting link between living things and non-living things. A. Bacteria, B. Viruses, C. Algae, D. None of these. Answer is viruses. Fifth is casein coagulation take place when milk is A. Acidic, B. Basic, C. Neutral, D. None of these. Answer is acidic. Sixth is agar a jelly-like substance obtained from A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Algae, D. Protozoa. Answer is algae, red algae. Seventh is microbes that help to make idli and dosa are A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Algae, yeast. Answer is yeast. Eighth is who discovered the process of fermentation. A. Louis Pasteur, B. Edward Jenner, C. Alexander Fleming, D. Robert Hooke. Answer is Louis Pasteur. Ninth is a vaccine is given for protection against tuberculosis. A. BCG, B. DPT, C. DT, D. Polio booster dose. Answer is BCG. 10th is virus causes. A. Dengue fever, B. Tetanus, C. Ringworm, D. Anthrax. Answer is dengue fever. 11th is who was the first scientist to discover microorganisms. A. Edward Jenner, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Alexander Fleming, D. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Answer is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. 12th is Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for A. Cholera, B. Smallpox, C. Tuberculosis, D. Polio. Answer is smallpox. 13 is which of the following is biological nitrogen fixer? A. Housefly, B. Fungi, C. Blue-green algae, D. Protozoa. Answer is blue-green algae. 14 is which organism increases soil fertility? A. Rhizobium bacteria, B. Mucor, C. Saprophytes, D. Paramecium. Answer is Rhizobium bacteria. 15. Which method is used for food preservation? A. Chemical method, B. By dehydration, C. By heating, D. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. 16 is the nitrophile bacteria is known as A. Nitromonas, B. Nitrobacter, C. Pseudomonas, D. None of these. Answer is Pseudomonas. 17 is red rot of sugarcane is caused by A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungi, D. Protozoa. Answer is fungi. 19 is foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by A. Virus, B. Bacteria, C. Protozoa, D. Fungi. Answer is virus. 20 is AIDS is caused by A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungi, D. Protozoa. Answer is virus, HIV virus.